Seagull and Wurf.
This is a school. The school name is not so important, but all this rubbish represents how our younger generations honestly do not care. Since the Year 7s have reached this school, the rubbish has increased more than a whopping 30%. I don't like those numbers. Our younger generation do not know how impactful leaving the rubbish behind is. Seagulls, street sweepers, rubbish eaters, our precious birds are dying each and every day thanks to the rubbish being left around the school. And we want you to contribute. With all the rubbish being dropped around, seagulls do die, and sometimes leaving them with deformities. But we don't think about the seagulls at all, do we? They eat the rubbish, they have families to feed, they go home, they have children. What have you noticed about the school since the Year 7s have arrived?
Trash. I mean, there's more people, which just equals more rubbish and litter on the floor, so...
And that affects our dear seagulls.
So I walked outside before and I saw like 2 seagulls fighting just over a muesli bar packet.
Over a
and that, it made me sad. You know, I don't usually care about seagulls, but honestly, I just made me sad.
Why must we fight over the little things in life?
Have you ever littered before yourselves?
Yeah, well, it was my muesli bar wrapper that the seagulls were fighting over, so...
How do you contribute to helping the seagulls?
Well, I used to have a problem littering. I just throw it out wherever I could. Now, I've fixed more ways, and I pick up for the seagulls, so they don't have to fight over muesli bars.
Do you regret dropping that muesli packet?
Yes, I used to have a dirty habit, and that dirty habit made it a dirty environment. It hurts. And then I realized that it was time to make a change for the environment, for the seagulls, and most importantly, for us.
As you see, it's us that make the problem it is today. It is us that is putting the rubbish on the ground. And it's only us that can fix the problem. You think about these people here, you think about the birds, you think about the environment. So for all this to change, we need to contribute. We need to pick up the rubbish off the floor and put it in the bin. Thank you for listening to our message.